right, guys, we got you guys a really beautiful truck today. It's a Ford EcoBoost 3.5 liter V6. Really nice truck, really nicely done. You guys can see the tips right there. That's what we just did on it. We'll show you what we did in a second. It's got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single there. Then it's got a resonator on it that we keep on them so it doesn't drone, and it takes that really bad like V6 sound out of them. So you always want to keep that resonator on it when you do any kind of muffler repair on it or replacement with any kind of performance muffler, because that tones it down a lot. It's made especially for Fords. So there, what we did is we put a FLOWMASTer Outlaw series, part number 815425S, right there. Then we did a side pipe, 2.5. You have to do a custom hanger on it over there. Into a quad tip black. He wanted that dual look hidden, as you guys can see right there. So it came out really nice. We staggered it for him. Just clean it up all the way. That's what it looks like, and we'll let you guys hear it in a second. FLOWMASTer Outlaw. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think? Again? Nice. Again? I'll let you guys hear the sound decibels on it now. Go ahead. Wow, 107. That's awesome. This is the muffler and resonator, the muffler and tailpipe we cut off right there, guys. That's what it looks like after. It's really nice done. Ford really outdid themselves with these trucks. I love the body style on them. It's quiet on idle too. When you give it gas, you hear it. I think that's the new sound for the EcoBoost. I like it. It's better than going out the back. Again? What do you guys think? Really nice stance to it too. Ford F-150 EcoBoost. Let you guys hear it on the inside.